Hi everyone. Hope all are good and well. Today I am going to share the secret behind English speaking. According to my view, English is very simple and easy. How? That is a big question. Okay, I simply define. Firstly, we understand basic English sentence structure. That is very important. In my teaching profession, I understand majority of the students say, sir, first time we know this simple English sentence structure pattern. I don't know where it happening these mistakes. Okay, secondly, I say to students understand verbs V1, V2 and V3. That's we understand very thoroughly. A third one, students understand subject, verb, object relations. Then finally, I say to all students, apply in our day-to-day life. The first time we make some mistakes. Gradually, our English will become better. In this way, we get confidence. Thank you.